And what is the secret? Let the science be our guide. Go back 50 million years. The forest was our home. We had two options: hunt or be hunted. The brain built an emergency center, the autonomic nervous system, red lights, sirens. When danger appears, the system takes over. The heart beats faster. Blood rushes to the legs. The lungs gasp for oxygen. These are the fuel of our bodies. The eyes widen. Vision gets blurred. The ears so sensitive. Others seem to be shouting, "Your body is filled with cortisol." You become Superman. But this Superman has a short battery life. In the ESAT quakes, cure people with cortisol. We left the forest. But the forest did not leave us. Today the echoes are not tigers. They are exams. They are traffic jams. They are emails. The brain presses the button. The body prepares for a fight that never comes. When the heart beats too loud for too long, we worry about a heart attack.